That's the GoPro MAX 2026 reality that's blowing minds right now. But hold on, before you think this is just another action cam hype video. Stick around because I'm about to drop some leaked secrets, hidden features nobody's talking about yet, and the one massive flaw that could make or break your purchase in 2026. If you're into adventure, vlogging, VR content, or just want footage that makes your friends jealous, this could change everything for you. Don't click away, you're gonna want to hear this till the very end. First off, let's get real about what the GoPro MAX 2026 actually is. It's the official successor everyone waited years for. The MAX 2 launched late 2025, but in 2026 it's everywhere, with firmware updates making it even crazier. This isn't the old MAX from 2019. This beast shoots true 8K 360 video at 30 frames per second. True 8K, not upscaled, not fake AI tricks. That means over 21% more resolution than the closest competitor like the Insta360 X4 or X5. Your footage looks insanely sharp, detailed, and professional straight out of the camera. Picture capturing a full surf session. Waves crashing from every direction, you paddling out, popping up, carving turns, and later in editing, you pick any angle you want. Want to follow the barrel perfectly? Done. Want to switch to a drone-like overhead in post? Easy. The shoot first, frame later magic is on another level here. But here's where it gets juicy. The lenses are now replaceable. Yeah, you heard that right. If you scratch one or want a specialized one, swap it out, no sending the whole camera in. GoPro finally listened. And with the new Max Hyperview digital lens mode, you get up to 180-degree ultra-wide POV in single lens mode that's smoother than ever. Hyper smooth. It's not just stabilized, it's next level. The latest firmware pushes it to near gimbal smoothness in 360. Even during insane shakes like dirt biking over roots or snowboarding powder stashes. No jelly, no wobble. Just butter. Now, audio 6 mics built-in directional wind reduction that's actually useful outdoors. No more wind roar ruining your epic narration. And 10-bit color plus GP log for pros who grade footage. You get cinematic looks without crushing shadows or blowing highlights. Battery life? Better than the original Max, but let's be honest, 360 eats power. Expect 60 to 80 minutes of 8K recording. Longer in lower modes. Carry spares or the new Enduro batteries if you're filming all day. Price in 2026? Around $499 originally, but deals drop it to $399 or less sometimes. Worth it? Depends. If you're upgrading from an older 360 or want to beat Insta360's game, absolutely. But if low light is your main thing, wait. More on that soon. Secret feature 1. Advanced object tracking with AI. Point at your subject, bike, skier, whatever, and the camera follows with cinematic moves automatically in the Quick app. Reframing becomes effortless. Cloud editing, unlimited storage at full quality with subscription. Edit on phone, PC, whatever, seamless. But here's a leak that's flying under the radar. 2026 firmware teases even more AI tools coming. Like auto edits that rival CapCut but native to GoPro. Imagine uploading raw 360 clips and getting viral-ready shorts in minutes. Comparison time versus Insta360 X5. GoPro wins on color science. That signature punchy GoPro look. Build quality, rugged as hell, waterproof to 5 amp without housing, and ecosystem. Mounts everywhere. Insta might edge on battery or some creative modes. But GoPro's 8K feels more future-proof. Versus DJI Osmo Action 360 or Pocket Series. GoPro crushes in true spherical capture. No seams, no dead zones. Real-world tests people are raving about in 2026. Skydiving, capture the entire freefall, exit, plane, jump, shoot, deploy, all reframed perfectly. Motorcycle helmet mount. Full surround sound and view. Family vacations, never miss a moment because you're always in frame. But let's talk downsides so you're not blindsided. Low light performance. Improved over old Max, but not magic. Night shoots or indoor action still get noisy. If that's your jam, pair with lights or consider the Lit Hero sibling. Size, it's chunky compared to tiny Hero cams. Not pocketable like a phone. And editing 8K 360 files? Needs a beefy computer. Quick app handles basics. but pros use Real Steady or Adobe for heavy lifts. One more hidden gem. 29MP 360 photos. Stunning detail for prints or virtual tours. And live streaming in 1080p. Great for events. Tips to max